Hello friends, today we are discussing GATE 2021 Engineering Science Food Technology paper. Our today's topic is fermented foods and beverages. Please subscribe the channel Neer Education. Question is, which of the following is not a fermented food products? Options given are tofu, vinegar, sauerkraut and tempeh. Correct answer is of this question is tofu. Means tofu is not a fermented food product. Tofu is soya milk protein and it comes under the category of non-fermented foods, and other three options like vinegar, sauerkraut and tempeh comes under category of fermented food products. Now we will see the what is fermentation. Fermentation is a metabolic process in which an organism converts a carbohydrate such as starch or a sugar into an alcohol or an acid. In other words, we can say that fermentation is a process in which the complex compounds are broken down into simpler compounds by the help of microorganisms. Fermented foods have unique and desirable taste, aroma, texture, and appearance due to the fermentation process. Examples are yeast performs fermentation to obtain energy by converting sugar into alcohol. Other examples are bacteria perform fermentation converting carbohydrates into lactic acid. One other term, pickling. Pickling is the process of food preservation by either anaerobic fermentation in brine or immersion in vinegar. It is one of the mostly used preservation technique from ancient times. Now we will see what is fermented foods. Fermented foods is defined as the foods or beverages product produced through controlled microbial growth and conversion of food components through enzymatic action. It is also defined as, in other words, we can say that food or beverages produced through controlled microbial growth and fermentation. From ancient times, the food fermentation was performed as a method of preservation, as the generation of antimicrobial metabolites, examples organic acid, ethanol, and bacteriocins, reduces the risk of contamination with pathogenic microorganisms. That means by the using of fermented foods, we can prevent from pathogenic microorganisms. Fermented foods are popular because of their proposed health benefits, and nowadays it becomes more popular because of unhealthy lifestyle. This figure shows the different types of fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, natto, kefir, kombucha, soya sauce, and beverages fermented by kefir and kombucha starters, lactic fermented beverage vegetable mixes. These all are different types of fermented foods and beverages. Next is we will see some common fermented foods, and some common fermented foods are kefir. Kefir is the fermented milk beverage made from kefir grains. Second one is kumis. Kumis is fermented dairy drink traditionally made from mare's milk or donkey milk. Kombucha. Kombucha is fermented tea beverages. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage. Tempeh. Tempeh is fermented boiled and dehulled soybean. Natto. Natto is fermented soybean. Miso. Miso is fermented soybean paste. Tempeh, natto and miso all are fermented food products of soybean. Kimchi. Kimchi is fermented vegetable dish. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is bread made from longer ferment. Means bread made from longer time fermentation. Sufu or furu. Supu or furu is fermented soybean product. Soya sauce. Soya sauce is fermented product made from soybean, wheat, water, and salt. When soybean and wheat are combined together with mold, the koji formation is done, and koji fermentation is done to produce the soya sauce. Doenjang. Doenjang is the fermented bean paste made entirely of soya bean and brine. Vinegar. Vinegar is the fermented food that is produced that contains 5 to 8% of acetic acid by volume. Uh, in During this preparation, sugar is converted into alcohol by yeast, and then alcohol is converted into acetic acid by acetic acid bacteria. Wine. Wine is the alcoholic drink typically made from fermented juice of grapes. Beer. Beer is the alcoholic drink typically made from malted barley by brewing and fermentation. Cider. Cider is alcoholic beverages made from the fermented juice of apples. And other fermented foods are cultured milk and yogurt, pickles, fermented sauces, fermented fish, etc. There are plenty of fermented foods that are used throughout the world, and this is the some most common fermented foods. Okay, thank you.